This is the Osmo Action 3, and we're going to show you how when we use our camera in a upside down fashion, and when we press the record button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the first video, and stop, that video will play correctly on your smart TV, correctly facing right side up. Now what I do want to show you right now in the play, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the first video, and stop, we're playing right side up correctly, so we are doing good. I do want to show you, if I can get to the thumbnail, it shows right side up. Alright, so now the next step here is to swipe down. I'm going to lock orientation, swipe up, and when you film upside down, your video will be upside down. So let's do that. We're filming upside down. Our video should be upside down. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to look at that playback. We're filming upside down. Our video should be upside down. And now we're going to look at the thumbnail upside down. If I go to the TV, everything will work out just right. Now there may be a problem with orientation lock. It is on. And when you want to now film right side up, you must hit the record with it right side up. And when you turn it upside down, you're going to see it rotate upside down. So you have 3 videos presented to you. Let's go over to the smart TV, plug it in USB-A to USB-C, so we can show you that an upside down video, the very first one, will play right side up. Our camera's plugged in. You have a DCIM folder. You go to the DJI 001 folder. You have 3 videos, very difficult to see. And all 3 videos show a thumbnail upside down. Now you're going to have to figure out which is the first video. .005 is my first video. Let's play that. 2, 3, 4, 5, the first video, and stop. My second video. Upside down. Our video should be upside down. And my third video. And when you turn it upside down, you're going to see. Now, if we try to explain that to DJI, they're not going to understand or correct the issue. But maybe you can get to DJI telling them that the thumbnails on a TV shows incorrect. And the camera will film upside down and play right side up 100% on your TV. If you look at the camera and show all 3 videos, they will show correctly like so. And what's on here should show on there the same exact way. I like to take this one step further. I'm on 2.7K, 30 frames, horizon steady. So when I put my camera on like so, and I make my video, I should be filming right side up, no matter which way I am going to turn my camera. I'm right side up, 100%. Here is my video, 2.7K, horizon level, 100% correct on the thumbnail, playing the video. I should be filming right side up, no matter which way I am. If we had 4K, horizon leveling, you'll be very happy. Right side up. The only issue I see at my end is the thumbnail being incorrect on 4K, but being correct with horizon leveling on 2.7K. This camera needs to be corrected by DJI with the thumbnails. I hope this video may have helped you out some.